If you want to change your username in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your username inside your Lucidchart account so you can keep your profile information accurate and up to date. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account options where you can manage your personal settings and profile details. From the menu, select Account Settings. This is the area where Lucidchart keeps your account preferences, including your profile and user information. After that, look at the left sidebar and click User Settings. This is where you'll find the field for changing your username. Now scroll or look through the settings until you locate the username field. Once you find it, click into the field and enter your new username. Make sure the name is spelled correctly and looks exactly how you want it to appear. If Lucidchart asks you to verify your password, go ahead and complete that step. This is just a security check to confirm that it's really you making the change. After you've entered the new username and completed any verification prompt, click Save Changes. Lucidchart will update your account information and your new username should now be applied. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in again to confirm everything has been updated properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your username in Lucidchart. If this tutorial saved you some time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.